Hello, my name is Ralf Orschau from Phytec in Germany, and I would like to introduce you our solutions for embedded imaging. Here we see our new sensor board. It comes with a 5 megapixel MIPI camera sensor board, and you can connect it easily to our platforms like i.mx8 and i.mx6. So it's very easy for you to integrate imaging into your product.
And you do a whole range of sensors, all kinds of resolutions. It goes from WVGA 1.3 megapixel, and this one is a 5 megapixel.
This is a 5 megapixel, you're right, and it is all sensors we choose are industrial grade. That means long availability, and also in terms of temperature range, we have industrial temperature range available.
Is it like Sony sensors or different suppliers? Who's making the best that you use?
We have onsemi as a big partner from us, and and we are able to offer also other sensor suppliers because we have a interface where you can easily connect these sensors to our platforms. So it's possible to go the parallel interface, short distance, and we have also phyCAM S, which is a serial interface, LVDS. So it's you can have longer distance between the camera and the system on module. And new is MIPI CSI interface, phyCAM M, because most of the new processors have a MIPI interface. So that's the solution for SOMs like i.mx8.
So there's always like the sensor side, and what is this showing with the camera?
Right, we have the sensor boards, and you can connect different objectives onto the sensor. That means we have this M12 thing. We, as Phytec, we also offer to build these cameras in-house. We have our own production for that.
Is it like showing right here?
Right, that's a good overview about the lenses, and we offer customers to build them in-house. And you can also connect, as you can see, imagine there you can also connect a CS mount objective, which has a much better quality, and I'm afraid we don't have that here.
Okay.
But
there's a catalog about your imaging.
Right.
Do people also buy your imaging solutions with other boards? Or are they always compatible with your boards?
It's an open standard, so we also have people buying the cameras using other suppliers for SOMs. That's right, but mainly because the software, it's not only the hardware, also the software is integrated in our Linux board support packages. So it's easy to use them combined with our system on modules. There you have there you can see that you can mount on M12. But it's also possible to mount other objectives to the sensors.
And there's special considerations about the embedded cameras. What kind of use case are very popular?
Popular is, for example, medical use case. We have projects where automatically the probes of blood or whatever can be tested, so it's going automatically. We have data matrix code recognition. We have in wind turbines, our hardware is included to measure the tilt, how much wind it is, and things like that. So you can find embedded imaging in a lot of applications, right?
And also with AI, you might do more and more with this now, because you could use it as a sensor for all kinds of stuff.
Right. Yeah. And we have plans to make boards with where we have embedded imaging combined with AI, as you said before. So then you can make face recognition and several other things. Yeah.
And you've been doing this for a long time already, the imaging, and is it special in the embedded world to be specialized in this field?
Yes, we have our department who is doing that is more than 20 years on the market, knowledge more than 20 years. We're starting with, let's say, with grabbers, but now because since 10 years the chip suppliers integrated camera interfaces into their chips, and we use it to build low-cost image processing solutions.
So it's low cost, it's not expensive?
It's not expensive because you don't need a PC or x86 hardware. You can use it with a price-optimized ARM-based solution.
And there's no need to have like a 20 megapixel, 40 megapixel, 100 megapixel?
From our point of view, no. There might be a project where this is needed, but most of them, they don't.
5 megapixel is already a lot for this industry.
Right, yeah, I think so, yeah. We have a lot of projects where 1 megapixel or 2 is fair enough. Yeah.
So this is the kit that you have?
Right, this is a starter kit. You can easily start your image processing project with a kit from us. We have here the i.MX8M processor combined with a MIPI camera, and you can get the kit completely and start your software development. We have integrated the video for Linux drivers into our board support package, so it's easy to start your application with this hard and software from us.
With the video for Linux, it accelerates the playback and the recording, or it's like a codec optimization for the chipset?
It's a standard driver to grab imaging pictures into your application.
And it's affordable to buy one of these kits, or people can just buy it on your website?
You can buy it at our website. We have a web shop, right? Or just contact us.